Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the system detected an overrun of a stack-based buffer in this application. This overrun could potentially allow a malicious user to gain control of this application, followed by error code C000409. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to do a couple things for today's tutorial. First thing, we're going to open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in SFC, followed by a space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it did find corrupt files and repair them. We're going to run one more scan here, a DISM command scan, the deployment image servicing and management tool. So copy that and then paste it into the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. This will take a couple of minutes to scan as well, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, I'd recommend closing out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.